You can be financially successful before you turn 30. That sounds good, right? In Vedic astrology, certain powerful combinations called wealth yoga are believed to attract money, opportunities, and prosperity early in life. So the real question is, does your kundli have one of these wealth yogas? Let's find out. Hello and welcome to Astrobhava and Vedic Secrets, the place where we uncover the hidden wisdom of Vedic astrology and how it influences our lives. I'm Ria and today we are diving into a fascinating topic, Vedic wealth yogas. Many people believe financial success only comes after years of struggle. But according to Vedic astrology, some individuals are naturally supported by powerful planetary combinations that can bring wealth and success at a young age, sometimes even before 30. These combinations are known as Dhan Yoga or Wealth Yoga, and they can significantly influence a person's financial journey and life. In this episode, we'll explore some of the most powerful wealth yogas in Vedic astrology and how they can indicate early financial success. What are wealth yogas in Vedic astrology? In Vedic astrology, your kundli or birth chart is essentially a cosmic blueprint created at the exact moment you were born. Each planet represents different aspects of life such as career, intelligence, opportunities, and wealth. When certain planets form special relationships with each other through conjunctions, aspects, or house placements, they create powerful combinations known as yogas. Some yoga bring knowledge, some bring fame, and others bring financial prosperity. These prosperity combinations are known as wealth yogas. But here's something important to understand. These yogas don't magically drop money into your bank account. Instead, they create favorable circumstances, strong financial instincts, or powerful opportunities that can help you build wealth faster than others. Let's understand some types of yogas. Lakshmi Yoga, the yoga of prosperity. One of the most auspicious wealth yoga in Vedic astrology is Lakshmi Yoga. As the name suggests, it is associated with goddess Lakshmi, the deity of wealth and prosperity. This yoga usually forms when Venus is strong and well placed, and the lord of the 9th house is also powerful in the birth chart. When Lakshmi Yoga is present, it can indicate financial prosperity, comfort and luxury, good fortune, opportunities for wealth creation. People with this yoga often experience steady financial growth and material comforts early in life. Dhan Yoga, the classic wealth combination. Perhaps the most famous wealth combination in Vedic astrology is Dhan Yoga. The word Dhan literally means wealth or money. This yoga forms when the lords of the 2nd house and the 11th house establish a connection through conjunction, aspect, or exchange. Now, why are these houses important? Let's understand. The 2nd house represents accumulated wealth and financial stability. The 11th house represents income, gains, and profits. When these houses interact positively, it creates strong potential for high income, financial growth, wealth accumulation. If planets like Jupiter or Venus are involved in this combination, the results can be even more powerful. Gaj Kesari Yoga, wealth through intelligence. Another powerful yoga often associated with success and prosperity is Gaj Kesari Yoga. This yoga forms when Jupiter and the Moon are positioned in a favorable relationship, particularly when they are in Kendra from each other. People with Gaj Kesari Yoga often possesses strong intelligence, emotional balance, leadership qualities, excellent decision-making ability. Because of these qualities, they often attract opportunities, influential connections, and financial growth. This yoga is frequently seen in people who achieve career breakthroughs at a relatively young age. Raj Yoga connected to Wealth Yoga. Sometimes financial success happens when Raj Yogas combine with wealth houses. Raj Yogas are powerful planetary combinations that indicate authority, success, and high status. These yogs typically form when the lords of important houses like the 9th and 10th houses interact with other strong planets. Now, when these powerful yoga influence the 2nd house or the 11th house, they can produce remarkable financial success. People with the combinations often experience rapid career growth, leadership opportunities, entrepreneurial success, high earning potential. And sometimes, this success arrives much earlier than expected. Now, here's a fascinating part of Vedic astrology. Why some people become successful before 30. Even if your chart has powerful wealth yogs, their results often depend on the timing. In Vedic astrology, planetary periods known as dasha determine when certain energies become active. If the dasha of a wealth-giving planet begins early in life, it can trigger career breakthroughs, business opportunities, and sudden financial growth. This is one of the reasons why some people achieve major financial milestones before the age of 30. Can wealth yoga be strengthened? This is the question that many people ask. Vedic astrology suggests that certain spiritual practices can help align you with favorable planetary energies. These may include chanting specific mantra, performing Vedic rituals or homas, practicing charity and donations, strengthening beneficial planets through spiritual discipline. These practices are believed to help individuals unlock the positive potential already present in their birth chart. Wealth Yoga in Vedic astrology reveal a fascinating idea that the universe may create hidden patterns that influence our financial journey. But it is important to remember that astrology shows possibilities, not guarantees. Even the strongest wealth yoga require effort, discipline, and wise decision making to manifest fully. When hard work aligns with the right planetary timing, success can arrive much sooner than expected. And that brings us to the end of today's episode on Vedic wealth yoga and planetary combinations for financial success before 30. If you enjoyed learning about these powerful astrological combinations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vedic Secrets by Astrobhava or more insights into Vedic astrology and cosmic wisdom. If you are curious to know whether your birth chart contains wealth yoga, you can explore your Kundali and discover your financial potential with the guidance of Astrobhava's experts. This is Ria signing off from Astrobhava and Vedic Secrets. Until then, stay curious and stay aligned with the universe.